Hi friends, welcome back to Stockwood channel. Swing trade is a style of trading that attempts to capture short to medium term gain in stock market over a period of few days to several weeks. That is basically if you see a pattern of the share price of a particular stock going up and down over a period of time, you identify the swing low and try to identify in this region and try to book profit when it is again reaching the swing high. While it is technically very difficult to identify the exact low and high of a particular stock, we can start aggregating the stock when it is moving in a downward trajectory and also try to book profit when it is moving on a higher side. So this type of investment is particularly useful for people who want to park their money for short term and make considerable profit. But remember, as I mentioned earlier, to identify the exact low and high would be very difficult, and based on market sentiment, if the stock further corrects, you may have to wait for a longer period than expected. So this strategy can be used based on your current financial position and your investing horizon. So in this video, I'll be talking about one such stock where we can invest as a swing trade for a period of 3 to 4 months where you can make an returns of around 12 to 15%. So before we get started into this video, a humble request from my side to subscribe to my channel so that you can get regular updates whenever I release new videos. So without much delay, let's get started in today's video. So the stock which I'll be talking today is Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever is a very large company with a market cap of almost 6.02 lakh crores and debt to equity of near to zero, that is around zero point zero 0.02. Also, this company pays a small dividend in terms of dividend yield of 1.52. And also, if you see the product of this company, it is basically an FMCG company, basically catering to the home care, beauty, personal care, and food and refreshment segment. So the products of this company has a lot of stickiness once the customer uses this product, and also it has penetration across the entire country from east to west and north to south. So this is a very well established company in the market and also a very large company. If the information shared in the video is useful, humble request to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to come with more such videos and help the YouTube algorithm. If you see the share price of Hindustan Unilever, you can clearly see that it has reached its lower point multiple times in the last 1 year and again reached its high in the multiple times. Here we can see a downward trajectory where it is coming to its lower side of the share price. From almost it has corrected by around 10 to 12% from its recent high. So if you start aggregating the stock in this region, you can easily see a upside in the stock in the short term. And also the reason why the company share has corrected in the recent time is basically because of its quarterly results. If you see here, even the revenue of this company has increased in the recent quarter from around 14,600 crores to 15,496 crores. And also the operating profit has been stable. And also the OPM percentage has been very good for this kind of company, which is consistently in the range of about 23 to 24%. If you see the revenue growth of this company from June 2021 to June 2022, it had a revenue improvement of almost 12 to 15%. But in the current quarter, the revenue has increased only by 5%, basically because the smaller players in the FMCG segment are giving a better competition to HUL in the recent time, and that is why the top line of HUL has not grown in the recent quarter. And most of the brokerage houses had not anticipated this kind of tepid growth in their revenue, and that is why the stock has seen a correction in the recent time. So if you're interested in this kind of videos related to Indian stock market, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.